Hello guys, this is my pond here, and today we'll start counting babies. The best time to count babies is at night. They are sleeping. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 here, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 there, 23, 24, that orange there, 25, 25, another orange here, one is there, 36, 37, 38, 39. Let's see here. 30, 31, 82. I think 32 is the number. Oh, maybe tomorrow we'll get more because that female is full of it. Whoa, newborn here, newborn. You see newborn here? This one is newborn. This one is the newborn. Whoa, the plants here. Yeah, man. Alright, maybe 30. Can't be. Subscribe for more. Oh, look at this bit. Oh, what is it?